The water is rising fast.
I am scared, Umar. Look, the street is flooding. Mama, why is it so dark? Don't worry, my dear. We have a candle. The power is gone.
This is a flood warning message.
What should we do?
We must be careful and safe. Look! Khala Rukhsana's house is flooding.
She is alone, Baba. We must help her.
Everyone, wear your raincoats.
I have the first aid bag. I have my flashlight.
Stay close to me.
The water is cold. Be careful, everyone.
Walk slowly. Avoid deep water.
Okay, Baba, I will be careful. I am scared, but I am brave.
The water is very high here.
We are close. Stay strong.
I see her house.
Khala Rukhsana! Open the door!
Who is there? Help me, please. We are here to help you. Thank God you came.
Don't worry, we will help you now.
You are safe now, Khala.
Take only important things quickly.
My medicine bag, please. I have it here. Let's go.
Hold my arm, Khala. Slowly now.
I am scared, but I trust you.
I will light the way.
Help! The water is pulling me. I have you, Sarah. Hold tight.
Everyone stop! Be careful! This way is too dangerous now.
What do we do, Umar?
We go this way. It is higher ground. I will tie this rope for safety.
Yes, that is smart. Good idea, Umar.
Step by step, everyone.
We can do this.
Almost there.
We made it. Thank you so much. You are safe now, Khala.
Great teamwork, everyone. Look, I see lights over there.
Is that the shelter? Yes, we are almost safe. Welcome. You are safe now.
Thank you for your help.
We are so happy to be here. Here, Khala. This will keep you warm. Thank you, my dear. You are so kind.
Are you feeling better now?
Drink this hot tea, Khala.
You have all been so brave. We are happy you are safe now.
She is fine, just tired.
That is such good news.
Thank you, doctor.
Look, Mama. The rain is stopping.
Yes, the storm is passing now.
We are all together and safe.
I am very thankful for this family.
We help each other, always. Good night, Mama. Good night, Baba.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, my brave children.
The rain has stopped completely.
Yes, the floodwater is going down too.
That is wonderful news.
The sky looks so clear now. Finally, some sunshine. It feels like hope again.
The flood is gone, but there is work to do. We will clean up together.
Thank you for everything, my family.
Let's go see our house first.
I hope it is not too damaged. I hope our things are okay.
Let's see inside carefully.
I am a little scared. It will be okay, Sarah. Our house is still here. Thank God, it is not too bad.
We are lucky. Let's clean up. Everyone, let's clean together.
I will wipe this table. I will help too. You are all working so hard. We help each other, Khala. This is a wonderful family.
Let me help you with that.
Thank you, Umar.
We are all in this together. We must build a better flood warning system. Yes, that will help us next time.
I want to help too.
This sign will warn us early.
Now everyone will know when it's dangerous.
The river looks peaceful now. It's hard to believe it flooded.
Nature can be strong, but so are we.
This is for you, my brave family. You didn't have to, Khala. I wanted to say thank you.
This mango is so sweet. Thank you, Khala Rukhsana.
You are welcome, my dears.
I am proud of you both today.
You were both so brave.
We learned so much, Baba.
I want to tell other Kir kids about flood safety.
That's a great idea, Ali.
You can teach them what we learned.
When it rains a lot, watch the water. Always listen to Baba. Always listen to Baba and Mama.
Thank you for telling us.
They are doing so well.
Our children are true helpers.
Always have a flashlight and rope.
This sign will help everyone.
Yes, we are ready next time.
Safety starts with all of us.
I love our family so much.
We are strong together. Helping others makes us stronger.
This is our village, safe and strong.
Together, we can face anything.
The end. Welcome to Puzzle Mountain.
I am ready to win.
Me too! I am fast!
The race starts now.
Go up the mountain.
Follow me. I know the way.
This way looks good.
Huh?
Turn left.
This road is bumpy. Go slow.
But this is fun. Up, up, up. We can do it.
Huh? The bridge looks wobbly. Be careful.
It is moving. Hold on tight.
We are crossing. Go slow and safe.
I made it. Come on, you can do it too.
That was scary, but fun.
I agree. Let's do it again.
This tunnel is cool. I like the lion.
I like the lion. Slow down, Yellow Dash. Not too fast.
We are out. Look how far we came. Let's keep going.
The trophy is close now. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
This mountain is full of surprises.
Wait, something is happening.
The pieces are moving fast. Stop!
Huh? Huh? The road is breaking apart!
Hold on! I am helping you!
Thank you. Whew, that was close.
We cannot race alone anymore. We must work together.
You are right. Let's build a path together.
This piece fits here. Push it with me. Yeah! Teamwork! Push, push, push!
We did it! The path is ready.
The path is strong!
Let's cross together. Watch me speed ahead.
We made it across! Teamwork is amazing! The trophy is right there! Almost there! Almost there!
Look! A new path!
A new path opened for us.
Hey, we can do dash. We dud. Where we can be digress.
Up we go! 1,
1, 2, 3!
We did it! We really did it!
Well done!
You all work together.
Because you helped each other, you are all winners.
One trophy for each of you.
You all won! This is the best race ever! Helping friends feels better than winning alone. Puzzle Mountain, thank you for the adventure.
Great job, team. You should be proud.
Adventure is more fun with friends.
The end! See end!
The end. See you next adventure.